For you guys who want to be YouTuber, this is an easy way to be successful on YouTube in 2022. Don't skip, so you won't get lost. You must be familiar with these names: PewDiePie from Sweden, Dude Perfect, Vanos Gaming from Canada, Dan TDM from England, Wega German, Markiplier from Hawaii, Collins Key from the US, Jacksepticeye from Ireland, Smosh, and the last but not least, Atta Halilintar from Indonesia. Yes, they are successful and shining on YouTube, with income from hundreds of thousands to millions of US dollars per month. Fantastic! Can you be like them? The answer is, why not? Here are the tips and tricks.
1. As the subject of the perpetrator. Although nothing is impossible, you still have to realize that success doesn't just happen. It takes strong motivation, hard work, perseverance, patience and sacrifice in undergoing the process. How big that 5 things were done will determine the final result. Just like what they did, either during being a YouTuber from zero, or outside success getting popular, before becoming a YouTuber. This is very possible for you to do, if you consider that as not a burden to do, but a journey that must be enjoyed in every single second. Then sooner or later you will reach your destination without realizing it.
The second is a content object. If you are not as popular as they are, then there are 2 homeworks that must be done. Namely, optimizing fundamental and technical factors. Fundamental factors include any elements in the video, such as a unique topic, thumbnails that match the theme and are interesting, solid duration contains, not boring, communicative delivery, good picture quality, clear sound and so on. Topics can raise anything according to ability or the availability of materials around. It can be strengthened by searching for trending topics in the browser or in YouTube search itself.
Furthermore, technical factors include all elements of a technical strategy that can boost SEO rankings. This optimization is also divided into 2. Optimization done for YouTube, the tool through studio.youtube.com, and browser optimization. Specifically for browser optimization, why should it be done? Because when we take the highest theme in the search rankings, it means that there are also more competitors. Meanwhile, if the chosen topic is not in the top ranking, then the channel or video will be difficult to be found by viewers. So you need special tips to create a site roadmap, one of which is in the form of backlinks, so that the channel appears at the top in search engines.
Tutorials on technical optimization on YouTube can be seen in a collection of other video tutorial recommendations on this RCTYou channel. One of them is in the link above. And we will present a description of browser optimization in the next video. So please support, like, subscribe and comment, so that we continue to be enthusiastic, and success is always for all of you.